Having trouble with Paramount Plus on your Apple TV? Follow this step-by-step guide to get your streaming experience back on track quickly. Whether it's a loading issue, app crashes, or other glitches, these troubleshooting steps will help you fix it in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your Apple TV is connected to a stable internet network. You can test the connection by opening a different app like YouTube or Netflix. If the connection seems slow, try restarting your router or switching to a different Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Update Paramount Plus app. Go to the App Store on your Apple TV. Find the Paramount Plus app, and if an update is available, click Update. Running the latest version ensures bug fixes and compatibility improvements. Step 3. Restart your Apple TV. Unplug your Apple TV from the power source, wait for about 10 seconds, and plug it back in. This refreshes the system and often resolves temporary issues. Step 4. Clear app cache, if possible. On Apple TV, you cannot manually clear the app cache, but deleting and reinstalling the app can help. Go to the Apple TV home screen, find Paramount Plus, press and hold the select button on the remote, and choose Delete. Reinstall the app from the App Store. Step 5. Sign out and back in. Open the Paramount Plus app, go to the Settings menu, and select Sign Out. Close the app, reopen it, and sign back in with your credentials. This refreshes your account connection and often solves authentication issues. Step 6. Check for Apple TV system updates. Navigate to Settings on your Apple TV, then select System Software Updates. If an update is available, install it. Apple TV updates often include compatibility fixes for streaming apps. Step 7. Reinstall the Paramount Plus app. If none of the previous steps worked, uninstall the app and reinstall it from the App Store. This can fix corrupted files and restore the app to its original state. Step 8. Contact Paramount Plus support. If you're still having trouble, reach out to Paramount Plus support for further assistance. You can contact them through the app or visit the Paramount Plus Help Center. That's it. You should now be able to enjoy Paramount Plus on your Apple TV without any issues. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Happy streaming!